On the keeper rounds every day, we clean out enclosures, which means removing old bedding and scraps of food. How these items are disposed of is dependent on the type of waste. The zoos have waste disposal areas both for visitors and staff. Visitor bins, such as these, are provided throughout the zoo and are clearly marked so that visitors can dispose of their waste thoughtfully and prevent scraps from getting into enclosures. Waste disposal for staff is a little more complex. There are different areas of disposal for different items and different methods of removing it from the zoo. Waste disposal systems and procedures are in place for general waste, which is placed into contracted bins, which are then collected and taken to landfill. Recycling is put into separate bins, which are also collected, but things like bottles and cans get a 10-cent refund in South Australia. Often these are collected and the money is put back into staff lunch funds or charity. Bottles, cans, bits of cardboard are also kept and stored in rooms like this one, which are then used for enrichment items. Scraps of metal, wood, etc. are kept in scrap yards, which can then be reused in building enclosures. There are also masonry and metal bins, which can be removed from the site. Things like bits of old browse or bits of wood are removed every day and can be stored in special bins and special areas or trailers like this one, which can be moved off-site. At Monado Zoo, they are kept in an empty paddock. These bits of browse can then be put through a wood chipper and resold as mulch. They're often also used for enrichment items or for perches in the bird enclosures. Another important waste disposal item is the bio bin, this one here, which is installed next to the carnivore kitchen at Monado Zoo. These bio bins store and begin composting organic material. The composted material can then be collected and added to soil conditioners and also used in biofuels and can reduce landfill by up to 70%.